My name is Hugo Lopez. I am CTO at Amwaj Group, and I've been in IT field since more than 20 years. Right now, our industry is seeing a major push in digitalization. We need to know what our suppliers have in stock, what we do have in stock, and what we can deliver in the same minute to our clients. Before, we faced challenges in tracking everything manually. Now, in fractions of seconds, we can have all the answers that we need. Employees now spend less time on repetitive tasks. Today, we are using Vertex AI for AI-driven decisions, BigQuery for dashboards and data analysis, Google Cloud Workspace for collaboration, and cloud management for all our data management and security services. We adopted Google Cloud solutions to ensure performance of our teams. They are able to focus on real things that will bring value to the company and to our customers.